Can you tell me the Vegas story?
The armored truck.
Richie had this guy. He said, listen, I got this guy who drives the armor. He says, he's going to put a bag out. There's $5 million in it. You come with me, we'll split it. All right, $5 million. Ain't nobody getting hurt. We ain't doing nothing. Yeah. We go to Vegas 2 days later. We got the money again. We fucking idiot threw the wrong bag out.
Didn't they say it on the news until he found out there was not $5 million in that bag?
No way.
So it was heavy, weighed 100 pounds, but it was all fucking ones, fives, 20s, 10s. We went to the dice table and we got 20,000 in 20s. So I said, shoot the dice. We throw it on the table. It took him fucking 20 minutes to count the money. God says to me, they said in the paper the money's marked. I said, we'll find out soon. He said, what do you mean? I said, if they lock us up at the dice table, it was marked. If not, shoot the dice. We got the dice. And we went broke. We lost the 20,000.